In the vast ocean, we learn that life is about sailing together, maintaining a balance between nature and humanity. Having a sportive family has made me a person who is not afraid to try new things. My name is Sinta Agustina, born in Banyumas, Central Java, who is currently growing and developing in the land of Sunda, West Java, a province rich in culture, natural resources, and extraordinary maritime potential. I'm a 19 years old resort and leisure management student at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. As a tourism student, I'm deeply interested in exploring the maritime world because the beauty of Indonesia's oceans holds so much that needs to be preserved and developed. Indonesia is not only our breathtaking natural landscape, but they also possess vast potential for industries such as tourism, fisheries, and shipping. However, without serious awareness and care for its sustainability, we risk losing this invaluable resource. I want to contribute to preserving Indonesia's underwater beauty while promoting our maritime potential as a sustainable global tourism destination. The underwater beauty of Indonesia, especially in West Java, is mesmerizing and has great value, as well as a lot of maritime potential that has not been fully explored. Taking advantage of this potential, I hope to inspire people, especially the younger generation, to care more and play an active role in maintaining the beauty and sustainability of our maritime resource. Together, we can realize Indonesia as a sustainable and environmentally friendly world tourism destination. The sea is not just a boundary, but a bridge that connects us to the world. I'm Sinta Agustina, ready to be part of Finalis Putera Puteri Maritim Indonesia 2025.